welcome to America. Today we're going to be working on making some battery hold downs for the old Deputy dog, Mack. When I bought this truck, it did not have any battery hold downs. It did not have battery covers. It barely even had batteries. The ones that were in there were so dead they were only useful as boat anchors as long as the EPA wasn't around. So hopefully today I'm going to rectify that. There's a hole here, hole back there, going to weld up some stuff and get carried away. So stick around. All right, so 2, 1, go. All right, so here we are with the semi-finished product. I say that because now I got to pull all this stuff apart and grind up a couple spots and put a coat of paint on it, because being next to batteries, for sure this plain steel is going to rust, but I just want to make sure everything fit good before I painted it, because nothing more frustrating than cutting apart and re-welding or stretching or shortening something that you just welded and then painted and starting all over again. So better safe than sorry. But that's what we got. Now I'm going to go redo the exact same thing on the other side, and hopefully I can find another battery box cover. I have one of them I picked up from the same guy I bought the cab from, the spare cab that's sitting over by there. And if I have to, I'll break down. You can buy new ones, but they're like 200 and some bucks, and times are hard and the money's tight here. We're in a recession. I don't know what you want to call it. I'm just cheap. I'm gonna be honest with you. So yeah, I appreciate you watching and sticking with me while I get my batteries all tight and bolted down. Stick around. I got plenty more work to do on this truck and plenty of other stuff over there and over there and over there. The work of an everyday American is never done. I hope you can relate. So until next time, thanks for watching and stay American.